What's up, guys? Today we're going to camping for the weekend.
Showing these Spaniards what good old Arkansas is about. Going to Rock Eagle Trail, something like that, Eagle Rock Trail.
Yeah, it's almost like a 4-hour drive, like 3.5. He speeds a little bit.
Oh, we'll get there fast, no problem.
Yeah.
Taking the Mosquito Brothers.
Here, the next one.
So guys, the plan.
So the plan today is drive 3.5 hours, get there more or less at 4:30.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's correct.
and then we have to hike for 3 miles.
3.5, maybe 4.
Yeah, maybe 4 miles. Not bad.
I keep telling him smaller. It kind of keeps growing, like the drive of this trip.
Yeah,
so.
exactly. So we started with an hour, and we end up with 3:40.
You know, it grew. I guess I didn't know where we were going.
And then after hiking 4 miles, we're gonna meet up with some friends of his. They're already camping there, so hopefully we find them.
Hopefully we get to the campsite before it gets dark.
Yeah, hopefully we get.
that's the goal.
Yeah, that's the goal here. But yeah, that's good. That's
we'll
it.
survive.
We'll survive
eventually, maybe. Hopefully.
No, we will. We're Boy Scouts. We're first survivors here. So yeah, see ya.
A little gas up for the trip. Thank you, coronavirus, for some very cheap gas. Not the only thing good coming out of this. That's why we're going to the woods. We're going to avoid the corona.
We're getting quarantined.
Yeah. And we'll take our own coronas, don't worry. We're gonna avoid the virus.
Yeah.
Quarantining the great outdoors.
What's up, Branch?
What's up, my guy?
Doing good?
As you can see, we started our journey. Made it through a few river crossings. Coming up where my boys Zach, John, and Grant are waiting on us. I'd say it's going pretty good so far. I'm out of breath and dying, but I'm gonna count it. So. That's how it goes.
Yeah. So Branch, we just like build a tent.
Oh yeah. Expert level out here.
Expertise, but we're missing a part.
Yeah, I'm not really sure where this goes, but I'm sure when something goes wrong tonight, we'll figure out what it's supposed to be.
Ask the expert.
It looks like it's a divider for your rooms.
Oh, okay. So I don't have to look at him during the night.
Yeah, that's
I need that.
that's a good one. So what's the menu for today?
Some ribs, potatoes, maybe some noodles. We'll see.
Did you guys bring any bowls or anything? Plates?
No. A big pan.
You got a cup?
Yeah, I got a cup.
So, Branch, summarize a little bit today.
Today, we got here probably 5 hours ago, 6 hours ago. Little hike in. We're staying right on the river. Fresh water, some filters, cooked up some ribs, had some potatoes. Potatoes, had a little, played some cards, played some spades. I kicked his ass. Sorry. And
The wishes.
it's how it goes. But it was a pretty good, successful day so far. We joined a couple people around here. Zach, the one who just yelled to shut up, probably trying to sleep right now. He's an old grandpa. And John and Grant. So it's a good day so far.
Yeah. All right, we're going to bed. See you tomorrow. How you doing, Branch? Getting our breakfast? Getting breakfast?
You guys can all go up just to pretend like there's a bear.
I'm down.
Me too.
He probably is awake.
Huh?
He probably is awake.
I think so. But hey, we'll walk over there real quiet. And then like I'll just go, yeah.
Okay.
Hey, you've got the food in your tent.
Oh.
That's why the big angry bear was coming over
That
here.
means I have to wake up for you guys to eat.
No, it just means I have to come in.
You can come get it. Zipper's down low.
Hey, it's our ultimate weakness.
What happened? Oh shit!
Don't let them pop your bubble.
Oh shit.
Yeah, they got. I get it big, eh? You think it's gonna be an accident?
Pick your feet up.
Yeah, oh shit. I actually recorded really bad, right?